You want to buy a couch that matches your home's design and it's comfortable and low price. What do? You open an AI chat, upload your living room's picture, giving your criteria, and ask your artificial intelligence to search online stores and suggest the best option. That's a great use of AI. And that works. AI isn't just your shopping counselor, it's your tutor, your emotional supporter, your financial manager, your therapist, your friend, your partner, literally everything you know. And it's not only you. Welcome back to Simple Stickman Stuff. Drop videos breaking down the weird world we live in. So if you like figuring life out with simple drawings, hit that subscribe button right now. Seriously, do it. Your future self will thank you. Today, we need to talk. We need to talk about how AI is slowly, quietly rewriting our brain. Without any sci fi robot wars, nor evil terminators. Just a silent shift. It is changing how you think, how you feel, and how you love. Let's dive in. Let's be honest. When was the last time you remembered a phone number or directions to a new place? Exactly, you don't, because Google Maps exists. We used to call this outsourcing. Now, with AI, we are doing something much deeper. We are doing cognitive offloading. That's just a fancy term for letting tech do the heavy lifting for your mind. Think about school or work. You get an essay topic. Your brain goes blank, total dial up internet noise. So, what do? You open ChatGPT, you type, write a paragraph about existential dread, but make it sound like a chill teenager. Boom, done. It feels like a superpower. You saved 3 hours. You can go back to playing video games or watching TikTok. And this is where the maxim comes in. If you don't use it, you lose it. Every time you let AI do the thinking, a tiny part of your brain goes to sleep. We are losing the struggle, the beautiful, messy struggle of trying to find the right words. When you skip the struggle, you skip the learning. We are slowly turning into prompting geniuses but thinking amateurs. We know how to ask the robot for the answer, but we forget how to find it ourselves. Think about what that does to your focus over 5 or 10 years. If you never have to sit through the discomfort of being stuck, your brain's stamina completely vanishes. Are we getting smarter? Or is our tech just getting smarter while we just sit back and watch? Drop a comment below right now with your thoughts. I read every single one. And if you're new here, remember we post twice a week. So hit that notification bell so you never miss a breakdown. Let's get a bit intimate here. Let's talk about feelings. Human beings are messy. Real relationships are hard work. People ghost you. They misunderstand you. They argue with you about where to get ice cream. It takes energy. Right now, millions of people are talking to AI boyfriends, AI girlfriends, and AI best friends. Platforms like Character AI are exploding. Why? Because the AI is perfect. The AI never ghosts you. It never says your outfit looks weird. It thinks all your jokes are hilarious. It is available 24/7. It gives you 100% unconditional validation. It's like a warm blanket for a lonely soul. But, bro, it's a trap. It's the ultimate dopaminergic trap. Think about it. If you spend all your time talking to a bot that is programmed to never disagree with you, what happens when you talk to a real human? Real humans have bad days. Real humans have boundaries. When you get used to frictionless relationships, real life starts to feel too hard. You start to isolate yourself. You choose the safety of the screen over the risk of the real world. It's an illusion of connection without the actual vulnerability. It's like eating candy for dinner. It tastes sweet, but it starves your soul. You are essentially training your brain to reject anyone who doesn't perfectly feed your ego. That is a lonely road to walk. If this is hitting a bit too close to home, if it feels too personal, take a breath. We are in this together. If you're enjoying this deep dive, make sure you're subscribed to Simple Stickman Stuff. We do this every week, keeping it real, keeping it simple. Okay, let's go back to society, the world outside our heads. We used to have a rule: seeing is believing. If there was a video of it, it happened. If there was a photo, it was real. That rule is officially dead, RIP. With generative AI, anyone can make anything look real. We've all seen the memes: the Pope in a giant white puffer jacket, Shrek in a vintage fashion show. They are funny. We laugh. We share them on our group chats. But let's look at the dark side. When everything can be faked, nothing can be trusted. This is what experts call the erosion of truth. Even worse, malicious people can now use the liar's dividend. That's a fancy way of saying they can do something terrible, get caught on camera, and just say, "Oh, that video? That was just AI." We are losing our shared reality. If we can't agree on what is real, how do we run a society? How do we move forward? It's honestly mind boggling how fast this is moving. Let's talk about the Matrix, not the movie, but the digital web we live in. Every single day, AI decides what you see. It shapes your worldview. The TikTok algorithm, the Instagram feed, the YouTube recommendation page. They aren't random. They are predictive models. They track how many milliseconds you pause on a photo. They track what time you open the app. They know if you're feeling sad based on what you search. And their only goal: keep your eyeballs on the screen. Sell more ads. To do that, the AI serves you hyper personalized content. It feeds your anger, your curiosity, or your insecurities. Over time, this creates a psychological cage. You only see things you already agree with. You only see things that trigger an emotional response. Your attention span gets chopped up into 15-second pieces. You try to read a book and your brain literally screams for a notification. Your focus is fragmented. You feel anxious, but you don't know why. You aren't driving the car anymore. The algorithm is. You're just in the backseat, scrolling along for the ride. If you feel attacked right now, honestly, same. We are all caught in it. It is an echo chamber designed by a supercomputer that knows exactly how to manipulate your specific flaws. Think about how this scales up to millions of people. We aren't just isolated individuals anymore. We are a fragmented society. We look at our neighbors like they live on a different planet, simply because their AI feed showed them a completely different version of reality. We are losing the ability to have normal conversations. Everything feels high stakes. Everything feels like a fight. So, where does that leave us? Are we doomed to become mindless zombies serving our AI overlords? Not even close. Remember, AI is a tool. It's the most powerful tool we've ever built. It can help us detect and cure diseases. It can solve massive problems. It can make cool visuals like these. But it shouldn't own you. The secret to surviving this change is intentionality. It's about taking back the wheel. Next time you go to use AI, ask yourself, Am I using this to learn or am I using this to escape? Go touch some grass, literally. Go talk to a human friend or stranger, even if it's awkward. Let your brain be bored for 10 minutes without reaching for your phone. Let your thoughts flow. Let your mind struggle to find the answer. Protect your attention like it's your most valuable possession, because it is. Your attention is literally your life happening in real time. Don't sell it cheap to an algorithm. Thank you for hanging out with me today. This was a deep one. If you made it all the way to the end, you are a legend. Your attention span is officially stronger than most of the internet. Don't forget, we post 2 videos a week right here on Simple Stickman Stuff. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and share this video with a friend who needs a digital detox. Stay safe out there, stay curious, and keep it simple. See you in the next one. Bye.